Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to upload PDF file in Firebase. So let's start. Open your Android Studio. Now click on Start a new Android Studio project. Select Empty Activity, click on Next. Name of your application. Here we select language Java. Click on Finish. So first we work on design. Click on RES, Layout, Activity Main.xml. Here we use relative layout. And add one background image. I already store one image in drawable folder. Then we use one edit text. Then we add one button. Now next step is to connect the Firebase to our app. Click on Tools, Firebase. Click on Real-Time Database, Save and Retrieve Data, Connect to Firebase. As you can see that our app is connected to a Firebase. Now click on Add the real-time database to our app, accept changes. All the dependencies set up correctly. Now click on Storage. Upload and download a file with cloud storage. Here we click on Add storage to your app, accept changes. As you can see that all the storage dependencies set up correctly. Now click on Build.gradle app level. Now we will use upgrading version of our dependencies. So here we change 19.4.0 for database, 19.2.0 for storage, and 19.3.2 for auth. And click on sync now. Now open your browser and open console, Firebase console. Here you can see our upload PDF project is created. Remember your Firebase login ID and your Android Studio login ID must be same. Click on real-time database. Here we create database. Click on create database. Here I'm selecting start in test mode and enable. Click on rules. Here we change the rule true. And click on publish. As you can see, rule published. I changed both read and write true. It means you can read any file from Firebase and you can upload any file to the Firebase. Now click on storage, get started, next, done. Here we also change the rules. Click on rules. We allow read and write both and click on finish. So here we change our rules. Now back to our Android Studio. Click on main activity. First we're creating one class and name it put PDF. And this class we are creating to get the data from the Firebase and to upload the data to the Firebase. We create constructor. First we create empty constructor and then we create parameterized constructor. Select both. Now create getter setter and select both name and URL. So that this getter and setter will help us to get the data from the Firebase and store the data in the Firebase. Now click on main activity.java. First we get the reference of edit text and button from XML file by using findView by ID. Now we create storage reference and database reference object. So inside this database reference, we pass the path. Now initially we disable our button. So button.set enabled. Here we pass false. So when we click on edit text, it will select the file from the local storage. So here we use edit text dot set on click listener. Here we create one method that will select the file from the local storage. So name it select PDF. So here we use intent and this intent will pick the file from the storage. Intent type. Then we set the action. Start activity for result. And here we use create chooser. So after we select the file from the storage, it will store here and then we will store in the Firebase. So here we pass intent. And pass request code. Now we will create one override method on activity result and this method perform the main functionality. So here we check one condition. So if our data is okay, our result is okay and data is not equals to null, then we will upload the file in the Firebase. So first we enable our button. Here we pass true. Then set the text in edit text. And then when I click on button, it will upload the file to the Firebase. Here we create one method, upload PDF file. And here we pass our data. Now create this method. So this method put the data to the Firebase. We create one progress dialog. So when our file is uploaded in Firebase, one progress dialog will be displayed. Now we will create one storage reference object. And here we use store reference that we created before. Here you can see the storage reference dot child. Here we pass our path. And with this path you can attach any system functions like system dot current time in milliseconds. And you can attach the extension like .pdf. Now we use this reference object to put the file in the Firebase. Here we use a function called put file and pass the parameter data, and then we call one function called add on success listener, and use another method on progress listener. So this on success method will call when our file is successfully uploaded to the storage. So inside this on success method, I'll store the URL and the name of the file in the real-time database. Now here we create the object of our put PDF class. Now we use database reference. And this will store the data to the real-time database. Now database reference.push.get key will create one unique key, and inside this key we set our value. Now we will create one toast message that will display the file is uploaded. And we dismiss our progress bar. Now inside the on progress method, we will show the progress of our download. So progress will be displayed in percentage. Now click on manifest file. Here we add some permissions like internet permission and read external storage permission. And open your browser. Click on project setting. Download Google services.json and paste this google.json service in your Android Studio project. Here we click on project and paste this inside the app. Now run the project. Here you can see the output. So when I click on edit text, here we select the PDF file from our local storage. You can change the name if you want and click on upload file button. Now file is uploading. Now we will see in Firebase console. So open your browser. So here you can see our PDF file is uploaded in real-time database. So here you can see one unique key is created, and inside this unique key we save the name and URL of our PDF file. Now click on storage. Here you can see our PDF file is uploaded with the extension .pdf. In my next video, I'll show how to fetch the PDF file from Firebase and display in Android. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share your feedback in comment section. Thank you.